Hello everybody, Bruce Elgord here with a short video covering the CTEC 127 demo application. This application is totally written in PHP and MySQL. It has no JavaScript whatsoever. So the Clarkbook application, which this thing is named, tries to emulate Twitter or Facebook for that matter, where people register for an account. They log in and they post status updates. The application also includes the ability for people who have the user role of administrator to go in and hide and delete posts. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to click on register, and I'm going to select that I want to be an administrator. Again, this is just for demo purposes. That's why I'm allowing the user to select the role here. And I'm going to say my first name is Aaron, and I'll just say Aaron Good. And the password, I'll just make that. And the email is aaron@clark.edu. Okay, so I'm going to hit register. And oh, it says duplicate entry. Aaron@clark.edu is in the database already. So let's go back. Actually, let's click on register. And let's click on a new account, and we'll say Aaron Good, and the password, and we'll say aaron@aaron.com. Okay, different email address, right? And we'll hit register, and the registration has been processed. Aaron's information has been added to the database, and now she should be able to log in, right? So aaron@aaron.com, and her password. And now the navigation has changed. It now has the additional options here, or capabilities, to post, log out, and administer the application. And in the upper right here, you can see Aaron's name, and that she is in fact an administrator. So before we do anything, let's go take a look at Aaron's profile. So if I, in the upper right hand corner here, click on Aaron Good, it takes me to her profile, and I can change information. I can change Aaron's name, her email address, change her role. So let me change her role for a second here. So you'll notice that she is an administrator, and she has the ability here in the middle of the screen to click on the admin link, and let's make her a user. Okay, and now we submit, and we go back. And you can see Aaron is a user up in the upper right-hand corner here, and she no longer has the link to get to the admin page. So yeah, pretty cool, right? So I am going to make a post in Aaron's name, and I like making video demos. That's what Aaron's going to post, and she'll hit post. And now on the home screen here, you can see here are the latest status updates, and you can see Aaron Good is feeling happy, and it has the date. Okay. Now I want you to look right to the right of the date here, and I'm going to go into Aaron's profile, and I'm going to make her administrator. And let's make Aaron. Let's click carefully and click on administrator, and go back here. And now she has the admin link here, and now she has the admin link, and remember I said pay attention to the right of the date here. She has additional actions since she is an administrator. She has the ability to delete a post and hide a post. Delete will actually remove the post from the database, and hide will simply hide it but not remove it from the database. So I'll just click on delete, and you can see her post is now deleted. Let me go back and just add a post here. Aaron is now sad. Clarkbook deleted my post. And she clicks on post, and there it is. Okay, so let's click on log out. And now Aaron's been logged out, and we'll click on home. And you can see Aaron's post is here. She doesn't have the ability to do anything, right? She doesn't have the administrative capabilities or anything. And I'm going to log in now as Bob at clark.edu, and I'm going to log in. So Bob is a regular user. He can't see administrative stuff, but he can post. I really enjoy the teachers in the CTEC department. And let's click on post. And now we can see Bob's post, and he's feeling happy. Again, he doesn't have the ability to do whatever the administrator gets to do. Let's just add one more post here, and now Bob is sad. Let's see. Somebody cooked fish in the microwave in the microwave. I'll click on post, and now you can see here, all the status updates being shown. Pretty cool, right? So let's log out, and let's log back in as. And your Amazon Alexa starts talking during a video. But hey, this is real, right? So I'm going to type in Tim at clark.edu and a password. Actually, I think it's tcook, I think. Yep, there it is. And Tim's an administrator. So let's click on admin to see what's going on here. So the administrator can see the records that are being stored in the database here. There's a lot of junk data here. Please ignore it. That's the user table right here. And then I can see posts that were made. And notice that there are, right here on the right-hand side, there are a few hidden posts. So they are designated with a value of 1. They are hidden. And here are the 3 posts that we just made. I can look at activity logs, so I can see what user clicked on what page at what time. So pretty sneaky of us here. So this is the demo app, okay? This is the demo app, and by the end of the quarter, you should be able to create stuff just like this. Things that display data, or as I like to say, read, create data through registrations maybe, or posts. Things that update data, like the user profile here, right? By the way, I wanted to show you this. Tim Othie. See how I changed the first name here? And I click submit. And I go back to the home page. Oh, Tim didn't make a post, so let's just make a post in Tim's name here. I love Clark College. Yay, there it is. I'll hit post. And now you can see Timothy Cook right here, but that's not Tim's name. So let's go to Tim's profile. He can change it himself. And click on Tim. Click on submit. Click the home button, and now you can see it's changed to Tim Cook. And if there were other posts by Tim, his name would be changed there as well. So this is how databases come into play here. The last thing I want to show you is a file listing of the PHP files that make up this particular application. And I'm going to drill down into the XAMPP folder. Whoops, I don't want to rename it. I want to click on htdocs and go to Clarkbook. And here they are, okay? So I'll go through them quickly. We have a CSS folder, which contains a style sheet. We have an images folder that contains the image that you see in the upper right-hand corner here for the Clark Penguins. We have includes, and you'll learn about includes in this class. It contains some files that get included in other pages throughout this Clarkbook application. Admin, that happens to be the administrative script that shows you the table data that we saw earlier, right, coming from the database. Clarkbook.php, that's the home page. Delete post, that's going to give you the ability to click on that, to use that script to delete a post, hide a post. Log, that's the script that can log user activity. Login, right? That's the page where you type in your email address and password. Log out, there you go. Post, profile, and register. By the way, you can see here, and I just wanted to sneak this in here because I could. You see how it says admin Clarkbook, right? We're not seeing the extension, the file name extensions on the files here. So I'm going to click on View, and then I'm going to click on File Name Extensions. And now I can see the file extensions.php, which makes it a lot easier. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough of the Clarkbook demo application. And by the end of CTech 127, you should be able to code an app just like this one.